Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen nasal cannula. First, always confirm your prescribed oxygen flow rate with your healthcare provider. This is crucial for your safety. Next, connect the cannula's tubing firmly to your oxygen source, whether it's a concentrator or a tank. Make sure the oxygen source is powered on and functioning correctly before proceeding. This initial setup ensures you receive the right amount of oxygen. Now, let's focus on proper placement for maximum comfort and effectiveness. Gently insert the two soft prongs into your nostrils, ensuring they sit comfortably. Then, loop the tubing carefully over and behind each ear, much like eyeglasses. Finally, adjust the slider located under your chin to achieve a snug yet comfortable fit. This ensures the cannula stays in place without causing irritation, allowing for continuous oxygen delivery. To ensure safe and effective oxygen therapy, remember a few important tips. Always check the tubing regularly for any kinks or blockages that could interrupt oxygen flow. Keep your nasal cannula and tubing clean according to your healthcare provider's instructions to prevent infection. Also, pay close attention to your skin around your nose and ears, monitoring for any signs of irritation or redness. Proper care enhances comfort and efficacy. While using your nasal cannula, it's vital to know when to seek professional help. If you experience increased shortness of breath or your symptoms worsen, contact your doctor right away. Similarly, report any persistent skin irritation, redness, or discomfort around your nose or ears. Also, if you notice any significant changes in your oxygen saturation levels, it's crucial to seek medical advice promptly. Your health and safety are paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.